All right. Hey, so welcome to Premiere Pro 2025. This is literally the second time I've opened this, so I'm trying to figure out some things. It's a little bit different, but essentially everything is basically the same. There are some things that it's going to take a little getting used to, but the main thing I want to talk about right now is the thing that I get asked for help with every single day in this class, and that is, hey, Mr. Dempsey, I lost this tool, I lost this workspace, I lost this blah, blah, blah. Whatever it is, let's make sure that everyone right now knows how to fix Premiere Pro if something goes wrong. So, for example, if you come down here and your timeline space isn't here, this properties panel on the top right is a new thing inside of 2025 that is in the default. So I'm going to have to get used to that. I really don't even know what it does, but I'll figure that out later. But let's just say you come in here and libraries, whatever it is that you're looking for. If you're looking for effects, and the effects are not down here where they're supposed to be, or the effect controls get dragged down here and things are just completely out of whack. It does not matter what the issue is. You can't find something, whatever it is. I want you to go up to the top where it says window, go to workspaces, and then make sure you are on the editing workspace. Once you are there, and this is where we will always start. Okay, if I'm starting a tutorial, I'm starting in the editing workspace. So make sure you're on the editing workspace, and then right here, click reset to saved layout. When you do that, you'll see everything goes back to the way that it is supposed to be. So that is the first and most important thing that you can learn in Premiere, because if you don't know where to look for things, then that'll be kind of problematic. So learn how to reset your workspace, go to Window, Workspaces, make sure you're in editing, and then reset to saved layout. Now, I want to be very clear. If you are doing something with titles, you're going to be working in the captions and graphics workspace for that. And that's good, that's fine. But if you are doing a tutorial and it is involving captions and graphics, make sure you're in Window, Workspaces, Captions and Graphics. And then if things are wrong, reset to save layout. What that's going to do is it will reset it to the way that it comes from Adobe. That applies to every single workspace. You can always go to Window, Workspaces, and then reset to save layout. Again, I'm going to be in editing because that is the place that I'm going to start all of our tutorials. If we go to another workspace, I will go to Window, Workspaces, and then select from there. But for the most part, I'm going to be hanging out in editing. If you don't like going up to Window and clicking that, I will point out that up here, there is an option where you can quickly get to some of your workspaces. You have the reset option up here as well. This was a newer feature introduced after I had been using Premiere for a long time. So I admit I forget about it. I'm just used to going to Window, Workspaces, and then down, but it is accessible here as well. I know this is a lot. This may be the most important thing you learn in Premiere Pro. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I'm still here.